Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to in this tutorial how to connect your USB flash drive to your phone. Now, of course, it's a standard USB flash drive, brand doesn't matter, and of course I'm going to show you you can connect it to your phone. Now, in order to connect to your phone, you're going to need either one, a adapter dongle such as this is a USB, standard USB female, and of course two USB type C connection, and that's because of course these phones use the USB type C connectors. If you have a older phone such as the S22 or some of those devices, they usually include this in the box. Not anymore. I'll put one in the description, or of course you can go over on Amazon and search for yourself. All right. Now, if you check out my phone here, it is using USB Type-C as most modern phones, USB Type-C. And this is a S24 Ultra. S25 Ultra also uses a similar setup, and of course you can expect the same in the S26. So this is a modern updated version of the tutorial, all right? Or of course in your flash drive you can get one that actually doubles as a connector. So this one is one I got for review sometime back, so I'll show you in this one, all right? So in order to connect it to the phone, either you're going to connect it directly as this one, or you would have your adapter, you're going to plug it in, then you're going to plug in the USB end. So since I have the flexible USB drive here, I'm going to place this in. So you're going to place it right here. All right, so that's how you connect your USB to the phone. All right, so as you can see here, it will show up as this in the notification area. So you're gonna swipe from the left, and as you can see here, it clearly says USB added, and it says it's charging connected device. In other words, it's sending power to it to keep it functional, which is fine. All right, so you're gonna go ahead, and in this case, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, if you want to open and tap, it will open right up. You'll see your files. As you can see here, I have a folder. Inside this folder I have some pictures, and of course you can go ahead and copy or move your files from here to or fro by copying. All right, or you can just send to. All right, the option is yours. So the file explorer is easy. And of course, the system is updated, so it handles USB drives much easier and more convenient. So I don't have to dig into settings. All right, so from here, in case you're finished, after you do your transfer by copying, just go ahead and unmount. Once you unmount, guys, simply disconnect it. As you see, it says one device unmounted. Then you can simply go ahead and remove it. So as you can see here, that's how to easily connect your flash drive to your phone, and it works flawlessly as seen here. So the tutorial is quite easy. If you want to see how to do an exact file transfer, you can check out my other tutorial on how to either copy a file. You can copy files back and forth to the copy function. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.